Burn some bay leaves in your house, and this will happen in just 10 minutes. Amazing! This herb, so famous, will help you to relax instantly and get rid of tension, anxiety, stress and fatigue. Today, this ingredient is used in horticulture, in the kitchen as a spice and in folk medicine as a medicinal herb. The leaves of this plant enrich the antioxidant potential of food, thus contributing to a stronger immune system, protection against the harmful effects of free radicals, wound healing and protection against viruses. Bay leaves contain a significant amount of vitamin A, which contributes to a better mind, maintains and protects the mucous membranes and skin. The characteristic odor of bay leaves comes from volatile compounds that have a healing effect on the digestion system and relieve digestive problems. The essential oil of bay leaf can help in the treatment of arthritis, muscle pain, bronchitis and the flu. This spice has the potential to reduce the risk of cancer because it contains a variety of phytochemicals that have potent anti-cancer properties. Here is a real discovery. You'll see what happens when you burn bay leaves. How should you use the bay leaves to create a relaxing atmosphere? Take a dry bay leaf, place it in a bowl where it can be burned, burn it and leave the room. After 10 minutes the bay leaf will have burnt and the room will be filled with incense smoke that will create a special atmosphere. Awesome! When it burns, the bay leaf releases some specific ingredients that help us relieve fatigue and relax.